Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm so excited about this. First of all, it's a good quality box. Yeah. And the brand is Naked Armor. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, the smell is perfect. Like, this is exactly what I was looking for.
Let me introduce you this guy. This is a shaving scuttle, and this one is called actually Savanna. This is also from Naked Armor. So this actually feels really classic. You gotta see it to believe it, because this is such a good quality mug, and there's such a cool feature as well. Let me show it to you. So by using this cork, you actually fill in some hot water here and seal it as such. So the porcelain actually provides an amazing isolation around it, and your shaving water remains warm. It actually makes a lot of sense, because this is actually open, you need to refill to keep it hot. But with this thing, you don't need to do that, because your shaving water will remain warm. And I really like it. I like the way it looks, and it kind of looks great together with the brush. You may remember from the unboxing video that it actually comes with a brush and a soap if you buy the set. Remember, this soap, it comes with a smaller version, but this soap smells amazing. Like, you gotta smell it to believe it. This is just an amazing product.
I mean, it is worth it. This is a great shave.